Hi and welcome to the farm. So sometimes you plan out your projects carefully and sometimes they're thrust upon you. That's the way this little girl's turn out. So what I'm going to do right away is top's got to come off, seat's got to come off, and I'm going to try to get the body off tonight. Ooh, good job. For any of you who are keeping track, these are 14mm bolts, and it's pretty much universal. That is the majority of the structural bolts on this thing, 14mm. Now all these bits for the body panels are all T45s, and the 1/4" impact is fine for these. Probably even a bit overkill if anything. And also there are T30s here at the top of the dash. They're recessed in here. They're very hard to see, so I don't know if it'll show up on camera at all. Come on. And then I've also replaced the headlight bulbs in here, because these headlight bulbs that came in it, they're just little fog light bulbs that you would see on most normal cars. So I replaced them with high-powered LEDs, and they have little fan-cooled heat sinks. But it made it much more drivable at night. Before it was driving blind. But this is much better. There it goes. All right, where did you go? Great, I'll never find that now. There it is. Can't believe it didn't fall in the dirt. Alrighty then. There we go. Now it's a dune buggy. Yeah, so my phone went into low power mode. I missed half of my cursing and swearing. It's not like I've been shooting video all day or anything. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, I have. Okay, so I'm going to have to leave it there for the evening. It's getting dark. Too dark to see. So we're going to wrap it up right here. You'll see me again in the morning. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. That's it. Bushy-tailed, bright-eyed. Can never remember. Hello and welcome back to the farm. So yesterday we started stripping down the old E-Z-GO RXV, and today we're going to finish off the back seat and hopefully get this body off. Ow, it's hot. I don't understand why it won't come off. Okay, let's do this the hard way. Get the glasses on this one. Well, that still doesn't help. Still doesn't make any sense. What the heck are you? Interesting. So the only thing I have is a grinding wheel. I don't have a cutting wheel. But right now, this is my last hope, I think, here. Let's see if I can get you guys in where you might could see something going on. Other than just the back of my hand. Y'all probably can't see what's going on at all now. Maybe you guys will be able to see something other than the back of my hand and my arm. So I really don't have any explanation for what's happened here, unless they just used the wrong nut here. And, oh, by the way, it's really freaking hot. I need not to grab that in my hand, which is why I had it with pliers. Okay, as I was saying before I did something incredibly stupid, only thing I can think of is they used either a soft nut and they stripped the threads on the bolt. Oh, I know what they did. I see what they did now. they ran the nut all the way down in the shoulder, tried to keep going, and stripped the thread out of the nut. And it just didn't have enough of anything to pull it back off. Okay. Well, that's interesting. So knowing that now, I might be able to grab this with my channel lock. I wonder if I can grab it and pull and get enough force on it to maybe start that nut going down. Yeah, forgot to push the record button. But I was able to get this one into pretty much the same condition as the other one was in, and I just can't get it any further. So, all right, let's not set the thing on fire now. Yeah, I know y'all can't see. I can't see either, so the way this works sometimes. Ow. Yep, that hurt. Come on, there we go. Remember, metal piece is hot. Yep, same thing as the other side. That was far more difficult than it ought to have been. Tail lights. Okay. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you. Ooh, another stink bug. Fly, be free. Well, thanks for stopping by. I hope you had fun. That's going to be all for this video. I wanted this video, this first one, to be about taking her apart, and I think I've done it. I think I got it there. I may not be watch West work or Mort ski repair, but you know, get the job done, right? If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit that like button, and as always, thanks for joining me on the farm.